In this video, I will show you how to set up the TicketForge bot in your Discord server. To get started, head over to the TicketForge dashboard. You'll find the link in the description below. Next, click the Login button up in the top right corner and hit Authorize. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the server selection page. As you can see, we don't have TicketForge in our server yet, so let's change that. Just click the Invite button next to the server you want to use. Double-check that you've got the right server selected and click Continue. Finally, hit Authorize. The TicketForge bot has now joined your Discord server. Let's head over there and get it set up. Click the server title, open Server Settings, then select Roles. Find the TicketForge role and drag it to the top of the roles list. Next up, channel preparation. Let's create the channel where the ticket panel will reside. Right-click on the channel list and select Create Channel. Ensure Text Channel is selected and name it Support. Once created, drag and drop the channel in the desired category. Now let's create a category to house the tickets. Right-click on the channel list and select Create Category and name it Tickets. Be sure to toggle Private Category on. Grant access only to your support roles and the TicketForge role. Then click Create Category. Now that we have prepped our Discord, let's head back over to the TicketForge dashboard. If you don't see the server we just added TicketForge to, simply hit the Sync Servers button, then click on your server. This will take you to the Panels page. So let's go ahead and create one. Click the Create New Panel button, which will open up the template selection modal. For a standard setup, you can just use the General Support template, or you can search for a template that better fits your needs. Now click the template you want to use. Here you can review the panel's configuration, things like the messages and buttons, whether it's a single or multi-panel, and its active features. If everything looks good, hit the Use Template button. This brings us to the next step, configuring our basic settings. Let's select the roles that will manage the tickets created from this panel and choose the category where those tickets will end up. Next, we're going to click Create Panel. This takes us to the Panel Editor page, where you can tweak every setting exactly to your liking. For this tutorial, we will just leave it as is and push it to Discord. To do that, click the Send to Discord button, select your support channel, and hit Send Panel. Now let's head back over to our Discord server and check the channel where we just sent the panel. Here, your users can see and interact with it. When someone clicks the Create Ticket button, a new ticket is automatically generated in the category we assigned earlier. Both the user who opened it and your selected support team will be added to the channel. From here, the user can have a private conversation with your team. Your staff can easily manage the ticket, whether that means closing it, reopening it, or saving a transcript so you never lose any important data. Keep in mind, what we've covered today is just scratching the surface. TicketForge has a lot more to offer, including full message customization, a complete rating system, powerful automations, and much more. Explore our fully customizable commands. You can also tweak server configurations, such as language selection, bot identity, and dashboard access. Don't forget to check the History tab to track changes and view your server statistics to gain deep insights into your support team's performance. For complete control, activate your free trial today. No credit card is needed. We would love to have you aboard. For all useful links, check the description, and happy ticketing.